Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Today's video we are going to Philippines. Actually, I'm already here in Dallas, Texas. I'm here in the hotel because you know what happened last night was so bad. I had a bad experience again traveling to Manila. So, the problem is from Fort Myers to Dallas, I got my plane got delayed. So, I missed my connecting flight going to Qatar, and then I have to go to the line getting a voucher, and then I have to rebook my flight. And it was a huge mess when I go to the front desk where to get the voucher because there's so many people in there in the line, almost like 150 people or like more than 150 people in the line from 10 p.m. at night. I got my hotel voucher around 2 a.m. in the morning already. And after that, I had to go to my hotel. I have to ride a taxi going to my hotel. And when I got to hotel, I have to fall in line again because there's so many people already on the hotel. So finally I got into my room around 3:30. So yeah, it was a mess. So bad. I didn't expect that it's gonna be like this, really. Every time I travel going to Manila, there always have a problem. And they gave me the next flight. The earliest flight is 7 p.m. tonight, but it was full of people there, so they can't put me in. So they gave me the next flight, which is around 10:55 p.m. tonight. I thought it's gonna be easy flight for me because no more requirements, so I just have to fly there and it's gonna be easy, but it's not happening. I got stressed. So yeah, let's go to airport and we'll see what's gonna happen. I have to ask them to I have to check in again, and then I have to ask them for my room. They have to pay my hotel reservation in Manila because I already booked 2 nights in Manila, and then I'm gonna ask them for my dinner tonight. They give me one voucher. How do you say that? So they gave me that card for my lunch, and then the breakfast is free here. So yeah, let's go to Dallas airport. I'm gonna just call the cab and let's go there. I'm ready to go. So let's go. Oh my gosh, it's kinda too heavy. So yeah, let's go. I hope I don't forget anything. Gosh. Oh my gosh, I am in the wrong area. I'm supposed to be there. Good morning.
Hello, good
Hi.
morning.
Can I get a cab?
What number are you in?
307.
We're gonna have a cab here in about 30 minutes. You know what? Let's see if I can call you a taxi now.
I'm not rushed. I can wait
Okay.
because my flight is still later tonight. Here.
Thank you very much.
No problem. to ride. I have to ride a train going to Terminal D. Where is D? I hope I'm not gonna get wrong. C N E A B C D. Okay, here it comes. We're going here. B D E C A. Supposed to be here. Oh, mommy. Hi. Super fast. Oh my gosh. So it's already 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm already here in the check-in. I'm just waiting for the check-in counter to open. They says they're gonna open at 7:30 evening. So I'm so tired already. It's too much people. I'm tired already to walk around. I ate lunch and waiting and waiting and waiting. Oh my, this is not fun. It's not fun at all. I feel so sad. So finally we are on board. We are going to Doha, Qatar airport from Dallas, Texas. Finally, but this is a long flight. It's 14 hours and 30 minutes straight to Doha, Qatar. Oh my gosh, I made it. I'm here in Qatar airport. It's super big airport.
Customer seated on floor number 1, kindly come ahead for boarding, please.
So finally, this is the last flight. Last flight going to Manila. Finally. So from here, it'll take 8 hours and 30 minutes to get there. So yeah, we'll see you in Manila in a bit. It's super rush hour. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's so many people. Super rush hour. I'm sure it's traffic. I'm gonna get a yellow cab, I think.